Here is a vintage Comfortmaker air conditioner that no longer runs. You see the disconnected shut off on it. I believe that to be a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Nice top logo. I filmed this last year, I believe, on my GoPro, but never uploaded the video because issues that I'm having with my GoPro. And here's the data sheet. It's no longer legible, of course, because these Comfortmaker data sheets from the 80s sucked, but this is definitely early to mid 80s. Two blades. Probably his GE fan motor. So, figured I'd snap a quick photo of this, quick video of this. So, thanks for watching.